cannot stand the cold and eventually froze to death. The story teaches us that we should not push the burden on each other. We must work together to take responsibility before the power becomes too big to solve. To solve. Remain in the lone or repair the nest. A raging storm occurred, causing the nest to collapse easily. The two birds could not stand the cold and eventually froze to death. When winter came, a raging storm occurred, causing the nest to collapse easily. The two birds could not stand the cold and eventually froze to death. The story teaches us that we should not push the burden on each other. We must work together to take responsibility before the problem becomes too big to solve.